experimental Bossa screwing over radio telephone broadcast coming to you live on the first cool day of autumn. Unfortunately, poor Texas burns. I woke up thinking about Babs Gonzalez. I'm playing this thinking of Babs Gonzalez, not Cole Porter, actually. Night and day. The memory of Babs Gonzalez I wanted to play with was Babs went out to California the first time. Babs went out to California and he was like looking around. He was trying to figure out how things were in California. After he got it kind of figured, he put a turban up on his head. He went down to Beverly Hills Country Club. He got a job playing the ball boy. He was sing the ball boy. And the famous movie star Al Flynn saw him down there. He says, "You sing the ball boy?" Babs saying, "Yeah." And Al Flynn saying, I need somebody to come by and do some things for me, some driving. You think you'd be interested in that? They have to say, yeah. Not every story of children is wholesome. But some do demonstrate the survival of the fittest. Night and day. Oh, you are the one. Only you under the sun. Ba-ba. Well, I think of you night and day.